my channel. As you can see, I'm back with OMG hair. So guys, I'm loving this hair. This is actually a different hair, and this is actually my first time I'll be reviewing something like this, like a Yaki straight. I love it so much. The hair is straight, everything came out so nice, and this is actually an 18 inches. As you can see, it's a 360 lace through the back view. Like, it has this lace around it, like you can do any style you want, any ponytail, any style you want to do. And this is actually a Yaki straight. I love it so much. So guys, let's move into this hair installation.
Kim the Kid did a shoot.
It's fixed nicely on the beat.
Kim the Kid did a shoot.
It's fixed nicely on the beat. So guys, we have come to our end of this hair installation from OMG hair. So guys, I'm loving this hair. I love this hair so much. This is my second time I'm wearing their hair, and trust me, their hair is bomb, I must say. I didn't expect this Yaki straight hair to come out this way. The hair came out so thin, like it came out thin. I didn't have to do too much. I only did a little plucking because I needed it a little bit extra for me. But for you, I think it's actually nice because it came prepared. The knot was bleached. Everything came out so nice. I didn't have to start bleaching the knot or tinting the knot. It can bleach to your skin too. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget guys, it is an 18-inch Yaki straight. I love it so much. Unlike some straight hair. Like, oh my god, this hair is lush. Like, I don't know how to say it, guys. So guys, in case you're wondering, this is a 150 density. It's so thick, so full. The ends are so thick. I love it so much. There was no tangling. Everything came out so nice. I just did a little installing, like using my hair straightener to just, you know, straighten it a bit, and, you know, to get that texture I really wanted. And trust me, you don't need to do all that, but this hair came well prepared for you guys. So guys, in case you're wondering, this is OMGHerHair. I love the hair so much. Their hairs are always bomb. Like, I didn't expect this Yaki straight to be like this, and I'm loving it so much. So guys, make sure you click in the description box down below. The details you need will be in the description box right there, so just click right now and go through all the details right there of this hair and the company and other things they have. So guys, thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.